On this week's episode of me trying to get my life together, we are clearing out my closet. This baby is stuffed to the brim. I have no right to buy new things knowing full well that there's absolutely no space. Things are stuffed in there that aren't on a hanger, not because I can't hang them up, but because it won't fit. So today I'm going to clean this out. Hopefully it won't take too long, but I can be indecisive. Let's just take a look at what I have inside of here. Nicely organized. You can't really tell by looking at it, but I do have a system. Okay, so I'm going to try and make 3 piles, 1 keeping, 1 going, and then 1 maybe pile. It's that cheeky little maybe pile that always ends up being the biggest because you're like, what if I wear it? Even though I haven't worn it for a year. I hate to say, but I think this has to go, which is sad because this is also vintage. This is a off-the-shoulder like yellow jumpsuit. Every time I look at it, I'm not that jazzed about it. It's also high water, but it's like flowy on the bottom, and I think that's why I don't want to wear it, because it just doesn't look right on someone as tall as me. It's made for someone shorter. I am going to keep this thing that's underneath it. It's a onesie, but honestly, it is on its last leg. It wasn't made from like good quality anyway, but look at how see-through it is. You can see right through it, which means nobody's wearing this in real life. Now that I'm holding it up, I'm like, do I even like this? I usually just use it to throw it on to go to the beach, and I put it over my bathing suit. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, I don't even like this. So this is going. Oh, the other thing. This is another thing that's really short, which is fine. It has shorts, but the front is also super low and it's super sheer. I've only worn it once while like going out, and I'm just like, where else can I wear this? It's also not that comfortable. Look at the list of reasons for why I shouldn't keep this. I should just let it go. I do love the design though. There are some things in here I know I should be getting rid of, yet here they stay. Then again, there's this. It's like a dress with the back clipped together. Never worn it. It's gray, it's cute, it's got pockets. It's suede, which I love. But I just know I'm never gonna wear it. If I haven't worn it yet, I'm not gonna wear it. And you know what? There are some things in here that I kept because I'm like, oh, when I go work in an office, I will be able to wear these things. And now look at me, working from home permanently. So this was one of those things. It's a skirt that looks like a button-down shirt. Never wore it. Maybe I should just do a video on all the things I've never worn, because I feel like that would be more appropriate to what's going on. This shirt, poofy sleeves, something in me is like, let it go, you don't even like this shirt. But what if one day I need it? What? You never needed it before. You have worn this. Not in the last 2 years though. Okay, obviously I still have a problem because this is everything that's left and I have made no kind of progress. There are some things in here that if I get rid of, somebody's feelings are gonna get hurt. And I'm not talking about mine. But if I'm really honest with myself, there's more things that I can get rid of. Oh, I never wear this anymore. Let's get rid of that. I don't even feel bad about getting rid of this because I killed this when I first got it. It is a onesie. I can't even find how to show you. Oh my god. Okay. Well, the back is out. It's a halter. And these are the like flowy sleeves. This one on the other hand, somebody's feelings gonna get hurt. This is a Marc Jacobs onesie. That's navy at the top and pink at the bottom. And it's made so well, and I love that it's like high weight. Okay, maybe. I'm just gonna move it to the maybe pile because after looking at it, I'm in love with it.
This video was a bad idea.
This is the longest skirt you have ever seen. It drags on the floor, perfect for tall girls, and it's like slim at the hip, and then it kind of flares out just a little bit, but it's just like a nice long flowy skirt that's meant to be a little high-waisted. Don't ever wear it. Oh, you do not wear this. All like mesh, which is actually kind of cute. I wonder if I could turn this into something else. Do I need a mesh shirt? And then the bottom is the problem. It's like crochet. It's really pretty, just not, I guess not pretty enough for me to be wearing it. There's so many things I could be wearing if I was like on my hot girl summer-ish and like, or going to an actual office, or living in a place that had a real winter, or dressing up a little bit, going on dates or something. But those scenarios are just not something I'm doing right now, which is kind of making it hard for me to think like, should I keep this because I like it and one day I will have a place to wear it to, or should I just get rid of it now and when that time comes in the future, I'll be prepared. Think about that. This can go. Getting rid of a lot of one pieces. Oh, why is it brown on camera? That's so weird. That is straight up brown. Ew. I don't like it. Oh, that's so weird. This is actually like an army green in real life. It's looking very brown. Like, I do not like brown because I feel like it just doesn't do anything for my skin. And this is making me not like it even more. But this is just like a military style jumpsuit. The last time I wore it, it wasn't too long ago, so I have worn it recently, but I think the last time I wore it, I knew that that would be the last time I would be wearing it. I knew that it was time for it to go. I don't mind getting rid of things if they're well worn, but I do have a problem getting rid of things that I never wore or I wore once or twice. Like the cost per wear value is just not worth it. So in that sense, I feel bad because it's like money wasted. I like this or these. I just have not worn them at all. I'm gonna hang on to it. Like this, I have never worn this. I'm straight up not having a good time. Okay, I'm actually gonna get rid of these. Love this dress. It's like a little Grecian goddess dress. I love the draping in the front here. And then there's like more draping down the side here. The only thing I don't like is that they stopped the lining right here because that was a very popular style back then. I just feel like I'm not really wearing this. Oh, there's also cutouts on the side. It's very drapey and it like hangs off the body really nicely. Where's this from? Oh, BCBG. It's kind of fancy. That can go out, as well as this dress. Wore it for my graduation party. I love the mesh with the lace on the sleeves, and I love that it's long sleeves. It's hard to find a long sleeve dress. I feel like it's just not my style anymore, which is fine because I did wear this dress. Thank you, dress. I no longer need you. Not feeling it. It does not spark joy. It's a dress with ruffles. Very 80s. Now that I'm looking at some of these things, I'm like, wow, some of these things are really old. Not that that's a reason to get rid of them, but just I didn't even realize how long I've had some of these things. Oh, and you know what? This is too small. My boobs don't fit in here anymore. Not wearing these, you can barely tell. I have two because they're supposed to be one on top of the other because one is too see-through by itself. Look at that. You can see me right behind this thing without even trying. When I hold it like this, it's like, wow. It's a white dress and it's got the back out, and I'm like, when I get my back tatted, I'm like gonna pop out in this, and I'm like, girl, when you get that done, this might not even be in style. That should not be the reason that you're holding on to these. Cute satin skirt, long, but very thick. Okay, hang on, I just thought of an outfit that would be really cute with this. I think I'm gonna put it back. Maybe pile, maybe pile, maybe pile. I also have this dress that I never wear anymore. Very flowy. You know, you have to have the crochet at the bottom. Everything I'm getting rid of has a certain look to it that I'm just like, it looks a little early 2010s, shall we say? It's just not me anymore. Wow, are we actually making progress? I love this set, but it just, I never wear it. I feel uncomfortable in it. It's like a little bit too much skin, and I would wear it to places where I don't feel uncomfortable showing that much, but I'm not going to those places. This is what it looks like. This is the top. Oh, sorry, upside down. This is the top, and then this is the skirt, just like super simple. It looks better once it's on. I think I have a few pictures on my Instagram that I'll just throw up in here. I haven't worn this, but I would really like to. Like, this is so cute. Why am I so against wearing skirts these days? This shirt. This off the shoulder peasant shirt. Why do I have so many peasant looking things? But it's like off the shoulder and it ties in the front. And I have another shirt that looks just like this one.
Except it's cuter. And I bought this one for me and my mom bought that one for her, but she didn't like that one, so she gave it to me.
Anyway, this has to go. I guess we should check out the belts as well. Never gonna wear this. This brown belt. It actually, I think it came with a bag. I don't know, will I ever wear this? I just feel like it's really good quality. This little Western number, never fit. I put this on and I couldn't even think of a single outfit to wear with this, so I think it's gotta go. I have this belt from like 6th grade. Look at the bedazzled jewels and then like the army print. It's very early 2000s, but I feel like it's coming back in style. I'm glad I kept it. This is a belt. It goes across your waist here. And then these like hook up on your legs. We're not wearing this. Yes, no. Maybe? No? Yes? There's a lot of things I'm getting rid of. I started from the left and I worked my way to the right the first time, and I was so scared to touch anything. And I did it again and I pulled out stuff, and I did it again and I pulled out more stuff. And this was the last time that I went like all the way through it and didn't pull out anything. So I think I'm finally finished, because it just gets easier as you do it. I might have enough space to finally be able to put each thing on its own hanger, which is very exciting. I'm going to organize it and then I'll show you what it looks like. It is by no means empty, but I think that my clothes can just hang here comfortably. There's room to move the hangers around, which I don't think I've ever been able to do. Yeah, I'm like really happy with where it is right now. Not only did I get rid of things I'm not wearing, but I also got rid of things that were like old and were showing their age, and that was a little hard to do because they're perfectly fine. They're just they're just loved. I will try not to add anything else. I can't believe that I did this all in one day. Thanks for hanging out.